I think a lot of people give up on good quality media and good quality content. With all of the nonsense, all of the crap and garbage out there on the internet, I think a lot of people are failing to produce good quality content. And good quality content means video, it means animation, it means podcasting, it means audio work, um, quality white papers, quality ebooks, publishing, all of the content bits, interactive media. I'm doing a lot of interactive media, so it's not just a PDF document; it's an interactive PDF document. Digital media online. I'm helping people produce mini documentaries and mini films. I'm helping people produce books. I'm helping, actually, I've been doing a lot of publishing work, getting magazines, booklets, and books published on Amazon and other platforms. Media, and trying to get good quality media in the right hands. A lot of you have a really important voice or a really important product or a deliverable that you really want to get across to people. And that's what I love to do is to help you create content that's good for your audience. It's really, really important to do that because everything you do in your business or even in your personal life too. I help a lot of people, even myself, producing and, publishing my own books and things is it's just a passion. I love doing it. It's awesome. You publish a book, you sell a few books here and there, and it's just a really, really good feeling. So you can do that personally as well as professionally. And it feels really good when people download your white paper or they watch your video. I just worked with a client recently who had literally tens of thousands of hits on their video. That's the kind of success I love to see for them. I'm happy for them. And I want them to continue to produce those types of things because they're connecting with their customer, they're selling more product, they're growing as a business, they're changing people's lives. That's just awesome stuff. So don't underestimate the value of good quality content because good quality content means people really want it, people engage in it, and it really changes and shapes their lives because they're purchasing it for a reason and they want to come back to you. So that content helps you connect to your customer. And so don't underestimate the power of really good quality content because it can really change your business and it represents you. It's kind of like how you dress, how you present yourself and how you present your business. If you produce crappy content, people are going to be turned off. And it just takes one person nowadays to be turned off your business and turn off many other people to your business. You can't afford to do that. So make good quality content regularly.